What's going on, y'all? Let everybody jump on here. Tell y'all what we got going on. I'm dressed up. I'm ready to go to the prom. Start off with, y'all know we blowed the old motor up in there, but we got this one ready to go back in there today. In the little Nova. Nova should be running here about dark 30. That was the one we blowed up yesterday, chunked the rod out the side of it. This is another little one, about the same motor that we had. We're gonna chunk it back in there. But guess what? This is what's really going on, y'all. It's been a long time waiting. Everybody know I had the other old truck. Quinn from Kentucky, he built me another old truck. And unfortunately, it got my trailer burned and it burned up. But guess what, y'all? I started with this old truck and it looked like the good Lord, he want me to end with this old truck. I remember I went up to Oklahoma and old farm truck himself, an Asian, put that on there. And guess what? We've been working our tail off, getting it going. I'm doing all the work. Turtle been watching, drinking beer. All right, y'all ready to hood? Let's see if it'll crank. Hold on. Smollian, I don't know what he been doing. Hold on, what Smollian been doing? Let me find out what Smollian been picking his nose, him and Lil Red. That's what they been doing. Let's see.
All of y'all on this truck, man.
Hold it up there, Smoke. Put that thing up. Let's see what we got. We think we got fire in the hole. Uh-oh, said the battery dead. Pull that thing up. Ooh, Ole Heavy back. I guess I'm gonna die in this old truck right here. Ain't I? Oh, wait, I told y'all that I wasn't gonna lie no more, but I'm gonna go back on my word. Fastest small tire in the world. You already know it. We getting ready to show out. Red got quit drinking beer. Him and the daddy won't drink beer. I had to do all the work. Y'all already know. Uh-oh. Got them old knobs back. Turtle said, everybody want to know what that delay box is for. I'm going to tell y'all what it's for. Because I want to hold the burnout. I get hyped up and I be wanting to hold the burnout too long. So explain it to them how it works.
Instead of delaying the trans brake, we delay the burnout rail ender so it'll stay on for 6, 7, 8 more seconds.
So if I get crazy, I can, you know what I'm saying?
Usually the practice, the girls, it wasn't so much of us, but most times
They rubbed off on us.
we get pretty wild when you burn out too. We sit still and not do it, and we get just bad.
Do the same thing. So we wired the delay box up to the burnout, so when I let off the line lock, it'll still count down right there for us, and it'll stay on the low burnout side, like 6,500. Then after a few seconds, it goes to the normal one. And then that right there, that's a traction control right there. If I see them in the street and I get ready to race, I'd reach and pull some timing out if I had to.
Tell me the name of that traction control. Look on top of it. Motor timing.
Motor timing, that's the name of that traction, that redneck traction control. Then right here.
Why you go down through there?
Then right here, see that right there, that's the RPM traction control. That means if I got a chip in my pocket, I just slap that chip in there real quick. I got me an extra seat, y'all. We're gonna get a seat coming on. I got the seat right there. We're getting ready to put in it. All right, you got a question. Hold on, y'all. Turtle, you got what? Turtle drink them Bloody Marys. He get crazy as a bat. First, you might need to get that door handle put on. It's messing around, roll that thing, somebody can't get out. What now?
I got some back here. We're going to try to mount the bottle in the middle of the bottom of the seat.
Okay.
Be all right?
In the middle of the bottom? Up under it. Okay, up under it.
But the seat going to be a little higher than yours.
All right, and we'll lie a little bit and tell them we ain't got no nitrous and reach under there.
Put that little bottle in there.
Reach under and turn the nitrous on them. All right, let's do it. Y'all, we're going to be in Little River, Texas, February 26th and 7th. We're the Ole Heavy, giving rides. I hope Turtle get the seat bolted down good. I hate to mess around and throw one of y'all out. Oh, Red got it covered. What's going on? Let me see if I can talk to a few of y'all now. I'm hyped up. I'm happy, y'all. My little old Nova blowed up. I thought I'd be sad, but seeing Ole Heavy get back lined out. What's going on, Donald? What's going on, Jeff? Sean? William Clay? What's going on, John? Whoa. All right, we're going to jump off here. Y'all get ready. Come check it out. We're going to be in Little River, Texas. Little River Dragway in Holland, Texas. I'm going to have the original Ole Heavy back running. Fastest small tire in the world.